Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about Microsoft Server 2012 and 2012 R2. Notice in the title, it's 2012. This is 2023. That's 11 years. That's a really long time. I'll bet many of you owners don't even have cars that old, but some of you have servers running operating systems from 2012. Here's the scoop. It has been end of product life for a while, and it is now officially end of support life, October 10th, 2023, which basically means that Microsoft will no longer provide any support of any kind and will not provide any patch updates, making it a security target. So you definitely want to get off of any Server 2012 operating system that you might have. And give it some thought here. It could be an on-prem server, so maybe you have your own local network. It could be a server that you're running in a data center somewhere. So that would also be the same set of guidelines, it just might not be in your building. So what are your options? Well, you can replace the hardware and software, get current hardware, get a current operating system, install that, put all your other things back on that server and pick up where you left off, a capital investment, of course. A second one would be to consider some of the new Microsoft 365 tools that you may already own, such as the Microsoft 365 SharePoint, possibly moving your shared files on that server to SharePoint, and any server-bound applications such as Sage 100 Contractor or other programs that have to run on a server could be moved to the Azure Microsoft Cloud, fully optimized for your 365 licenses. Sound complicated? Well, yes and no, but here's what we're doing. We are hosting a webinar on September 14th at 1 o'clock Central Time. You can sign up on our website or give our office a call and we'll help you get signed up for that. And we're going to talk through exactly what's happening, exactly what your options are, and the pros and cons of each. And we're going to take Q&A at the end for anything you might have. In the meantime, if you know for sure that you have a server running this operating system, get with your IT team, find out what their plan is, and then you do need to decide whether you're going to make a capital investment or you're going to move to the cloud. There are pros and cons. There's more information on our website, and I would encourage you to attend this webinar on September 14th. All right, that's your warning. That's what you need to go get some research on. For those of you in our Azure cloud, I've had a couple calls. You are all set. You are not on this operating system, and you are ready to go. Thanks for your time. Call if you need us, and have a great rest of your week.